To get a reach out from our exes or for them to revisit the idea of reconnecting, we need to do one thing, and that's to raise their interest levels. But how do we do that? Well, I'm glad you asked, because that is the topic for today. Guys, thank you so much for all your support throughout the year. It's New Year's now, isn't it? 2023. Keep plodding through. You can do it. Thanks for all the comments, guys. Please feel free to comment, help and support other people on this channel, because we all going through the same thing, aren't we? So just keep that in mind. We all know that being left, being rejected, being dumped is bloody painful, and we find ourselves searching the internet on ways to get our exes back, and we will come across all sorts of stuff on the subject. But for an ex to come back or to revisit the idea, it will always start with one thing for them to do, and that is to reach out to us. That's the big main indication that they're thinking of us. They want communication with us, or they're just testing the waters. But what's the best thing we can do to make that happen? We need to raise their interest levels. How can we do that? We need to make them curious. To raise an interest comes curiosity. What makes curiosity? The unknown. And what makes the unknown? The restriction of not knowing things that we want to know about, right? Guys, an ex will always, after some time, when they don't hear from you and all the awkwardness is gone, all the chasing that you might have done has gone because you've gone into no contact after contacting them every day to try and fix the breakup. You then disappear, whether they want you back or not. At some point, you better believe it, they will be looking on social media on what you're up to. Why? Because they're curious. They haven't heard from you for some time. You haven't been blowing up their phone throughout the day. You haven't been becoming a problem. You're not the gossip between their friends anymore, and they're starting to feel it. And just imagine if you come off all social media for a while and they can't find you absolutely anywhere. Don't you think how that curiosity will grow even higher, let alone you still not contacting them? Guys, this is a perfect combination of building up and increasing their interest levels back towards you. And again, they have to have the interest towards you for them to make a move, right? Another example, if your ex is still contacting you, but it's going nowhere, giving you hot and cold signals, acting different. I don't want you acting like you did before with them. Your ex will know you inside and out. They're playing a game as well, and they will be expecting you to act a certain way, wanting some reassurance for compliments, or just bored and using you as a stopgap until someone else pops along that day and interests them more. When you don't give them anything, when you don't play into their games and you act distant, they will feel it, and their interest towards you will come in a bit warmer. That's what we want. We build it up, guys. It will make them feel uneasy, and it starts with curiosity, the unknown, the mystery. We're all nosy, and we all want to be in control of situations, and when we can't, it makes us want it even more, right? That's just human behavior. Let's use this to the advantage. So concentrate on raising their interest levels. Ask yourself, what can you do more to go completely dark? Guys, the less they see, the more they will want to know. Short and sweet today, guys. If I have helped you out, chuck me a like. Also, if you like a personal coaching, all my links are in the description below. Check out another video. You're all beautiful people. I will see you later.